Good morning, students. We are going to start a new topic, Equatorial Regions, the land of dense forests, for the 5th standard in the subject SST. Equatorial regions means the land of dense forests. Dense means which are the very closely compacted, which are very close to each other. That forests are known as the dense forests. In this chapter, we'll discuss its location, its climate, its plants, peoples, and animals. So, one by one, we have to discuss all the topics. So, firstly, is there location of equatorial regions. Equatorial regions are located in bands on both sides of the equator and cover about 6% of the Earth's surface. They are often lowland areas and have a climate that is hot and wet all the year round. These regions are home to tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are those forests which having the dry season. Some of the largest rivers of the world like Amazon, Mekong, Orinoco, and Congo flow here. Congo is a very important name of very important. Let's know about the climate, plants, peoples, and animals of these regions. Now we are going to discuss about the climate. The sun's rays are very direct in equatorial regions, so the climate is very hot throughout the year. The temperature is usually above 25 degrees Celsius. The air is calm. It means the sun rays are reaching directly on the equatorial region. We know that the rays of sun reaching on the equator directly. So the climate is very hot throughout the year near the equator. Next is tropical rainforests receive over 168 centimeter of rainfall every year, which mostly pours in afternoons. Means the tropical rainforest receiving up over 168 centimeter of rainfall in every year. The sun's heat makes a lot of water to evaporate. Evaporate means the change of liquid into vapors from lakes, rivers, seas, etc. These are the causes plants to transpire moisture. Means the evaporations helping the plants to transpire moisture. Warm and humid air then rises and cools to the clouds, bringing rain. Means these all were the reasons for the rain. The weather of each day of the year is similar, hence these regions have no change in season. As you can see on the last page, these regions are spread over continents of South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Means these regions lies near the South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. There is a one fact-wise box is there. You can see River Congo. River Congo originates in the highlands of East Africa and flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The famous Inga Falls are in the lower course of the river. Next, we are going to start about the plants. Variety of plants in the equatorial regions. Due to all time availability of sunlight and rain, means in the whole year the sunlight and rain available on this region. These regions are heaven for growth of all types of plants. Means these regions are very good for the growth of all types of plants. Many types of hardwood trees such as mahogany, rosewood, and ebony grow here. The forests here are so dense that the trees, dense means closely compacted, which are very close to each other. The trees have to fight for sunlight because the forests are dense, trees are very dense, then the sunlight not reaching on the earth. They grow very tall and spread out their upper branches to catch more light. The tops of these trees form a layer up to 7 meters thick called the canopy. Canopy is like a cap. Those trees whose top looking like a cap. It blocks the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Means that are looking like the full cap on the top, and the sun rays are not reaching on the forest floor. Climbing trees called lianas grow up to the sunlight. The forest floor is very dark and gloomy, so few plants can grow there. At this level, there is a mass of rotting vegetation and fungus. Means rotting vegetation and fungus are growing in the forest floor. The trees are adapted for living in hot. The trees are adapted for living in hot and wet climate. They have waxy, large, and flat leaves. The leaves have drip tips to help drain water quickly. These forests give evergreen appearance as the combination continuous growing season allows them to shed their leaves anytime. Means these trees can shed their leaves anytime in full year. Coffee, chocolate, banana, avocado, and sugar cane all originally came from plants growing there. Means these type of plants are almost growing in this region.